This is what $43 a night can get you in Tirana, Albania. So here's our foyer again. Lots of storage. We have a washing machine. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. Queen size bed, super comfortable. You've got a closet with 2 chairs. And we have mountain views. Look at that. So this is a little French balcony here. And then the bathroom, shower, sink, mirror, the 2 toilet action going on again. I'm gonna call this decorating. Whoever, their interior designer is phenomenal. Okay, for the kitchen. We've got a medium-sized fridge, an oven, a 4-burner stove, lots of storage. They had everything possible that you would need to cook with. Like, this is so well stocked. All those utensils. Like, look how this knife set and this, they actually have oil and vinegar. Up here, you've got the whole spices. Like, this one so far has been the most well stocked for us. Like, this, it was awesome. You've got a George Foreman over here. I don't know, I guess kind of an island. More like a peninsula because it's 3-sided. Huge, comfortable couch. Aircon. Oh, there's also an aircon in the bedroom. I just didn't show that. And then the entertainment center. They even like have an accent wall here. It's so nice. Beep. And then balcony number 2. Look at these views. My word. And all this green space down here too. Awesome. There's our drying rack. And 2 tables with a chair. Again, did I show you this view? So we are in the area around the Mother Teresa Hospital. And like I said during the tour, this one is the best for interior design, the best for everything that they stocked it with, and these mountain views. If we could stay in this apartment long term, I would do so in a heartbeat. As always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit the bell, turn on the notifications so you're the first to know of any new video I release. Leave me a comment after all these different tours of the places we stayed around Albania. Let me know which one is your favorite. And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.